It's Monday morning at the warehouse. Orders are piling up, the phone's ringing non-stop, and someone just realized a product that should be in stock isn't. Sound familiar? That's what happens when you rely on spreadsheets and memory to manage your inventory. Now imagine every item, every order, every shelf, perfectly tracked and visible in real time. That's what Samyak Infotech's warehouse management system, also called WMS, does. WMS takes away all the everyday headaches, inventory mismatches, manual errors, poor visibility across locations, and that constant struggle to find space or meet deadlines. With real-time dashboards and automated workflows, WMS gives you full control. You can track inbound and outbound logistics, monitor performance, and make better decisions with data, not guesswork. It even adapts to your business growth, multiple warehouses, seasonal spikes, new clients. WMS scales effortlessly with you. Samyak's WMS delivers more than control. It saves costs, boosts accuracy, and empowers your team to work smarter every day. From manufacturing and e-commerce to pharma and 3PL, it's built for businesses of every size. So, the next time your warehouse feels one step away from chaos, remember, it doesn't have to be that way. Take control, simplify operations, and turn your warehouse into a well-oiled machine with Samyak Infotech's WMS. Your warehouse smarter than ever.